Okay, everyone, I know I showed you this in class, but I want to show you again how to access your MyMathLab through your Blackboard. So when you go into your MyCCC, you'll see the Blackboard app in the upper right-hand corner. So we'll click on that Access, and find your course. So you'll find somewhere where it says Math 960. All right. So this is what your panel should look like on the left, and we'll talk about what all of these mean, but the one I want you to look at is MyMathLab and access code. So you need to hit the access code first, the first time you go into MyMathLab. All right, so if you're in Math 960 Section 1, you'll see it says that up at the top. If you're in my Section 3, you'll see that at the top. And you want to hit Reveal Access Code. And then write that down, because that's what you're going to need when you get into the course. Okay, so you are now going to go back into your Blackboard course and hit MyMathLab. Right? So when you go to MyMathLab homework, this is the only time this will happen on your screen. It's going to ask you if you agree to all the licensing and that you're not going to share this material with other people. So go all the way down to the bottom. Okay, and then hit I accept. And then it's going to take you to sign in with your Pearson account or register. So if you don't have an account, you can just create one, right? And then make sure you use your I would use your CCC email address. And remember, it's -cc, not -ccc, because then it's easy to remember how to access if you forget your password. I just find it easy to use your CCC email address to do that. Make sure you write your password down, because it's very hard to retrieve that. If you forget it, because sometimes people have issues with their email address, that's why I say to use your CCCC one. Okay, so once you've registered, you'll have a prompt that asks you to enter into the course. And let me show you what it looks like. You ready? So once you register and get into the course, I need to get out of student preview. It should look like this. So you hit your MyMathLab, okay? And then you go to homework, and your first assignment should be available. And it's just this quick intro to MyMathLab. And we'll talk about it some more. Every day we'll talk about some of the cool features of MyMathLab. But this is due on Monday, the 21st at midnight. So I highly recommend you try it before Friday, so that if you have any issues, we can address those before the end of the day on Friday. All right, so give it a try and let me know if you have any questions on Friday. Do not panic if it doesn't work. We will figure it out on Friday, but make sure you give it a chance to start working through some of those problems. All right, we will see you Friday.